Guys, what's up? It's another trading day. Let's see what we have going on. First, let me share the live stream. Okay. Let's look for a clean chart. So we are done with this trade. And now we need to analyze and see if we are already missing out or we still have an opportunity. So we go down to the 1 hour. So I have this simple rule. Okay. You know, when the market has dealt with you, you're forced to learn the hard way, right? So if we don't get a clear proof that price has changed direction, then there is no buying for us. There is no selling for us, because price has to, let's just mark it the way I do with my students. Even if price takes out the zone, this is the zone that led to the change of character, but we can just mark out this one. That, okay, let price take out this and slip below. Then we know that at that point, truly, we should be looking for sales. But as of now, we are still very, very bullish on the 1 hour time frame, pounds. What's up, guys? Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome to the channel. It's another day with FelloF. All right, it full TP on GBP USD. Okay, we hit full TP. So if you're new to this channel, here on YouTube, and today we might be taking another trade live. So stay with me, guys, and let's see how it goes. If you are new, do not forget to show some love by subscribing. Subscribe to the channel, guys. Subscribe. Click on the subscribe button. Let's get it going. So right now, we are looking forward to see if we can catch another entry on GBP USD. But what I'm telling you now to do is subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel as we mark out our zones. Okay. So click on the subscribe button. Then tell me in the comment section, where are you joining us from? Where exactly are you joining me from? Okay. I want to know the demographic of my audience. Tell me, where are you joining me from? Are you new to the channel? Are you a new trader? Do you have some trading experience? All right, let's just go to the daily time frame so you can know exactly what we've been looking at. Okay, so I'll use this chart where I already have everything marked out. This is what we've been looking at on GBP USD. So let me reduce the lines so you don't get confused. Okay, but first, what I want you to do is click the subscribe button. Just do it. Just do it, guys. It won't hurt you. It won't harm you. It will not break your finger. Click the subscribe button. Okay. Our channel is small. We've been building. If you check, we have over 400 videos, and we've been coming live every blessed day for you guys to make it easy, to make trading easy for you. Okay. So keep it going, guys. Show some love by subscribing. Okay. So looking at GBP USD, we actually have two strong zones where price has been reacting from. Okay, we have 1.36 thousand and 1.32 thousand. Those are the main levels price has been reacting from. Let me draw them out. Okay, that's the first one. And this is the second one. So we mark out the zones because it's considered a zone, not just a line. So if you see historically, whenever price gets to these levels, what happens? It reacts, 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 reacts. Okay, it's not just now, reacts, reacts, reacts. So even if you go back in time, you'll see that whenever price gets to those zones, it reacts. Okay, so those are the strong zones we are looking at right now on GBP USD. And now, for those who understand, I trade with FIP, with the FIP levels. Okay, I use FIP levels to confirm my entries. So we saw a little break of trend, or you can call it a change of character here. Okay, and I have this simple way of trading. For those who've been following me here on YouTube, you already know that when we have a change of trend, what do? Wait for price to pull back in. All right. And this is what we just had. Price pulled back in. Okay. Price pulled back into the zone. So some of my students are already selling. But personally, since we are trading live, I did not want to take a risky trade because normally for my swing trade, I'm supposed to be in right now with my stop loss being all the way up here. But I said, no, let me be patient. Even if price has to do anything, it will definitely give us an entry. All right. So if you are new to the channel and you have not been following, just subscribe. Okay. So that whenever we are live, you'll get notified. Okay. This channel will change a lot in your trading. Just be here and let's build something together. Okay. So at this point, this is the daily, right? So we go down to the 4 hours to see exactly what's happening on the 4 hours. So on the 4 hours, you'll see that price has created an uptrend because you see price has been creating higher highs, higher lows, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. And now we are creating a higher low according to the 4 hours time frame. But now on the daily time frame, you realize we are in our premium zone where we should be looking for sell opportunities, right? Where we should be looking for sell opportunities. But here, we are still working on our higher highs and higher lows on the 4 hours. Are you seeing that? That is where we now move to this chart. Okay. So you see, we are now creating higher highs and higher lows. As of now, we cannot conclude that we should be selling because we are still creating higher highs and higher lows. Let's go to the 1 hour and see if we've had a change of character on the 1 hour, because what actually makes us to feel like, okay, we should start selling is a change of character. Have we seen that? No, we've not had a change of character, which means buys are still valid. But now the buys we'll be buying here are dangerous buys because first, we all understand that we are already in our daily premium zone where we should be looking forward to catch a sell opportunity. Okay. But now if price comes down to this zone, which is our key level, and give us a bullish engulfing again, bro, it's simple. It has told us that price is not going down. Price has decided to continue rising. Okay. So what do? We continue buying until we have a sell confirmation. Okay. So as of today, we are still bullish on GBP USD and we are waiting to see if we can have another confirmation to continue our buys. So tell me in the comment section, where are you joining the live stream from? Just keep your comments coming, guys. Keep your comments coming, guys. So tell me, which other pair would you want us to break down? So while we wait for your comments, we'll also move to GBP AUD because I shared a trade on GBP AUD early or late last week. Let's just keep going. Yeah, so this is the trade we have on GBP AUD. It is still moving, okay? It is still moving. So there's nothing we can do right now. We just got to be patient with our GBP AUD setup. So as of right now, we are in massive profit. Not up to 1:1, but we're in profit, guys. Yeah, with GBP AUD, I always love to give enough breathing space. That's just how I trade it. It's a very volatile pair for those who know. So tell me in the comment section, guys, where are you joining the live stream from? And if you're not subscribed to the channel, show some love by subscribing, guys. Show some love by subscribing. So this is GBP AUD. We already hit our TP. And this trade, I gave it live on New York session on Friday. This is where we enter. Check. New York session Friday. That was New York session on Friday. 2 o'clock. I said buy GBP, sell GBP AUD. That's it. I gave this trade live. That's why for those who are not subscribed, no, you are missing a lot. You are missing a lot. Yeah. For those who are not subscribed, you are missing a lot. Tell me in the comment section, where are you streaming from and which pair would you want us to look at? Today is Tuesday, right? So we already hit one heavy TP on Monday. This is Tuesday. Let's see what happens on Tuesday. Are you ready for what's coming up, guys? We might have a setup on GBP USD. So keep your comments coming. Guys, which pair would you want us to work on? Which other pair would you want to see me analyze? Yeah. So GBP, we are still bullish until we have a 1 hour change of character. There's nothing we can do. So at this point, if I have to give you what I'm expecting price to pull back to our key level, $1.134500, and we are to risk 20 pips. Perfect. We're to risk 20 pips. The target, a simple one, is to 2 because we are in our premium zone. We cannot be expecting our normal kind of setups. Okay, so this is what we are expecting to see on GBP USD. If price pulls down to that level and gives us a confirmation, that's what we will do. We'll buy GBP USD. So that is it for GBP USD today. And GBP AUD. And we still have enough time. So drop your comments. Tell me what you want us to analyze. We are live because I can do anything for you. I can do any analysis for you. That's why I'm live. If it was just for the record, I would have made a short video and shared. So tell me, Which pair would you want me to analyze? Tell me in the comment section, where are you joining me from? Where are you streaming from? And for those joining us for the very first time, you are welcome. Okay. Like I said, we are done with a very powerful trade we took live. Maybe have another setup very soon. If price pulls down to this level and gives us a confirmation, we'll be buying GBP USD, looking to sell. But as of now, we are still very bullish. So there is no sign that price is changing direction. That's why we are still looking forward to sell, to buy, sorry. Then on GBP AUD, this is what we have going on. I shared this trade during New York session on Friday, and we are still in massive profits. Okay. So these are the pairs we've been working on together. All right. Let me just do a little analysis on euro for those who So on the 4 hours on euro, this is what you see. You see, we've been creating lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs. Okay. This is euro. Man, euro is actually crazy, man. Yeah, so we saw it bearish since the other day. This is a lower high. Okay. That led to the lower low, which has not been taken out. And this is our breakout structure. So we are still very bearish on euro. Euro is bearish on all time frames, guys. We saw this yesterday. 4 hours, daily, weekly, bearish, bearish, bearish. Okay, now let's go to the 1 hour time frame to see exactly what euro is doing. So on the 1 hour time frame, euro is consolidating. Yes. And the overall bigger picture is even bearish, because since price took out the zone, price has been unable to take out the highs that led to the zone. So it's still bearish. Okay, so euro is bearish, guys. Completely bearish. So that's what we have on euro. Then for my USD JPY traders, let's check what we have going on. Remember, I have a zone up here. I'm expecting UJ to pull up for us to have a sell. But like I told you on our analysis the other day, this pair is bullish. So selling this pair is actually risky. Selling this pair is risky because it's overall bullish. Okay, it's overall bullish. So for now, on this pair, it's scary to be doing anything on it, because normally we had to wait for a pullback to buy, but guys, it is what it is. So this is what I see on GJ, on UJ, sorry. It's been long since I even looked at GJ. Is there any GJ trader here? Let me check GJ for you. It's been long I came up across GJ. So tell me, guys, in the comment section, what's popping? What pair would you want us to analyze? We just did GBP USD, GBP AUD, USD JPY, Euro USD. Yeah, we're currently on GBP JPY. So it's bullish, guys, and risky, guys. That's it. So this is our let's look at our current trade. We have a current trade running, and we also have a trade we are waiting for. This is the one we are waiting for. Okay. And this is what we have running. GA. GA is the highest pair that's giving me money in the forex market. This pair. So that's it for us, guys. This is today's analysis. This is what we have for today. So tell me in the comment section, where are you joining the live stream from? Where are you joining me from? Let's trade together. So we currently have this trade running. Okay, this is GBP AUD. Okay, I'm just drawing this trend line. It's nothing. So don't go and start drawing strange lines on your phone, on your charts, saying you saw FelloF drawing a line. Keep your comments coming, guys. This is a trade I shared on the live stream. So if you're not subscribed to this channel, you are missing a lot. Okay, because I share stuff like this. This trade was shared on the live stream that was on Friday. And today, we are also looking forward to have a trade on GBP USD. Yes, we are still looking forward to have a trade on GBP USD. So for those joining us, let me put it so you can see. And show some love by subscribing, guys. Let me just go up to there. 4 hours. So this is what we are looking forward to have on GBP USD. If price can pull back to 1.34500 and give us a confirmation, then we'll be having a buy. No doubt. So that's what we have going on, guys. Share your thoughts in the comment section. Tell me the pairs you want us to analyze. Tell us the pairs you want to analyze. And for those who took the GBP USD trade with me, I believe you should have hit your TP. Okay, full TP smashed. We already hit our TP. So if you are still holding, you are holding it at your own risk, because price is already in our premium zone and there is a possibility for price to break and continue going down. Okay, even though you see us waiting for a new buy here, if you were in the previous buy, get out. The profits are enough. Okay, so this is what we are waiting for. We are now waiting for price to pull back, and you see we are not targeting anything big. We are targeting a 1:2. Reason being that we are on the daily premium zone on GBP AUD, on GBP USD. We are on the premium daily zone. So once you discover that you are already in the premium zone, you don't continue risking too much, hoping for too much. Okay, personally, I'm expecting price. If you ask me personally, I'll tell you, I'm expecting price to pull all the way up to 1.86,000. So for those who are not subscribed to the channel, guys, click the subscribe button, guys. Click on the subscribe button. Let's keep it going. Also tell me in the comment section, which pair would you want us to analyze? Which pair would you want me to analyze for you? I have traders here who are waiting to hear me talk about a pair. Just tell me the pair in the comment section. Let me analyze it for you. So if you ask my opinion, right, I'll tell you I'm expecting price to pull all the way up to this zone. That's my honest opinion. Yes, that's what I'm expecting. I'm still very bullish on GBP USD. Okay, I'm still very bullish on the lower time frame, but overall, like I said, I am bearish. This is just a pullback. Don't go quote me as a buyer. Meanwhile, I'm waiting for my sell. Okay. You see, we already went close to 61.8 retracement levels. So at this point, anything you are doing here is risky if you are buying. But the reason why I'm buying is simple. Price is still bullish. We are still very, very bullish. And since we had the first internal change of break of structure, price did not pull back. Let me show you the internal change of character. The first one, price did not pull back to it. And this is always a trap. I've been in front of this chart for years, and I understand this. This is always a trap. When price leaves a gap for me, like what I can see here, I know there's a possibility price will pull back into it. Let's just watch and see, guys. Let's watch and see. This week, most people are looking for sales, but I still look at this opportunity. I think price might pull all the way up to this zone. Okay, so let's keep it clean and straight forward. But since we are already in our premium zone, we'll be targeting simple 1 to 2s, nothing much. Okay, and for those who want to join my free trading survivor bootcamp, you can contact this number. Just write this number, telling them you're interested in the trading survivor or trader survivor bootcamp, and you will gain access to it. Tell me in the comment section, where are you streaming from? There's somebody here who has been here also. So these are the pairs we have going on, and this is exactly what we're looking at on GU. So we'll just be patient and see if price will react from that zone for us to have a buy. So that's it, guys. So I felt hungry today very early. So I have to take my breakfast with you guys while we wait to see if we can see a buy opportunity during our live stream. So just keep your comments coming, guys. I'm with you 100%. And for those joining us for the very first time, show some love by subscribing, guys. Subscribe to the channel because we do this always. So we have about 90 minutes to the end of our today's live stream. Drop your questions in the comment section if you have any questions. And even if you have to watch this after, feel free to share your thoughts. I always get notifications, comments, and I come back and check. I wish I was in China. I would have been eating some Chinese shit now. Well, now that we already have everything marked out, I don't think I have much to say here. So, guys, see you guys during New York session. Keep it going.